Here are 10 popular natural remedies for children that are considered safe and proven based on the provided search results. Number 1, chamomile tea. Helps calm nerves and soothe upset stomachs. It's generally safe for children who aren't allergic to ragweed. Number 2, ginger. Effective for nausea, vomiting, and digestive issues. Can be consumed as tea, chews, or added to juices. Number 3, slippery elm. Coats and soothes inflamed mucous membranes to relieve sore throats and coughs. Probiotics found in foods like yogurt and kefir play a crucial role in restoring gut flora and can actually reduce the duration of diarrhea. Peppermint, well, it's not just for fresh breath. It also improves symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, such as cramping and diarrhea. And for those uncomfortable skin issues, Epsom salt baths are a go-to. They help relieve rashes, hives, and itchy skin. For children over 1 year old, honey can be a soothing remedy. It helps to soothe coughs and throat irritation. Lavender has calming effects and may help with anxiety and sleep issues when used as an oil or tea. Lemon balm reduces anxiety, depression, and insomnia when consumed as a tea or supplement. Passion flower provides anxiolytic effects comparable to certain pharmaceuticals when taken as an extract. The key is using proper dosages, high-quality products, and consulting a pediatrician, especially for children with medical conditions or taking medications.